Hi children, in our last video we discussed about the town child. We saw the poem, we discussed about the poem The Town Child. In this video, let us discuss about the country child. Okay, let us discuss about the country child. It is a poem written by Irene Thompson. Okay, in this poem also, the Irene Thompson is telling about our feelings. Okay, in the form of the country child. Okay, the country child here, the country child is telling about his inner feelings about the country where he lives. Okay, it is the country child. It is Unit 1, Reading B poem. Okay, take your textbooks and look at the textbook while I read and underline the hard words which you do not understand. Okay, my name is a house, my home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. There, the lanes are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. My home is a house near a wood. The country child is telling, okay, I am living, or my house or my home is near wood, and near wood means near forest. I would live in a street if I could. He wants to live in a street because he is living near the forest. That's why he wants to live in a street, which means he wants to come into the village and live there. The lanes are so quiet, oh dear. Here, the lanes means the tree rows. Okay, the tree rows are very quiet because there is no one there. We find people in village hardly here and there. Everyone goes for work to the fields and nobody stays in the country. That's why the country child is telling, I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet, oh dear, oh dear. The country is very quiet because where I am staying there is a forest, so everywhere is quiet. I do wish that someone lived near. I feel that someone lived with me to talk to him or to play with him. Okay, that's why that country child is telling that I do wish that someone lived near. Second stanza. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours were it not for the birds and the flowers. Second stanza, the country child is telling, there is no one to play with at all. Nobody is there to play in the forest. Okay, the trees are so high and so tall. What I see in the forest are trees only. Those trees are also so high and so tall. And I should be lonely for hours because I am living here lonely. When my parents go to the fields for work, I have to live alone. I am living alone. I have to be alone for hours until my parents come. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, were these forests and are not for the birds and flowers? Which means the country child is asking, were it not for the birds and the flowers? Only birds and flowers are there in the forest, but no human being lives in the forest because now I am living and my family is living. Look at the third stanza. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Through this third stanza, the country child is telling, I wish that I lived in a town. He wants to live in a town because he is not experiencing the people near to him. Nobody is there to play with him. Nobody is there to talk to him. Okay, that's why he wants to live in the town, because in town everywhere people are there. Every time, everywhere noise is there. That's why the country child wants to live in the town. To see all the trams going down, to see all the trams, the cars, buses and all going here and there, running on the streets. A twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. And to see those twinkling street, twinkling means shining streets, because during the nights in the towns there are everywhere lights colorful nights, okay, twinkling every time, shining brightly during the nights. That's why that country child wants to live in the town, because in country he does not find all these things at all. These cars, lorries, noise, or these twinkling colors of lights during night and all, he does not find. That's why this country child also wants to live in the town to see all those lights, noise, buses, cars and all, and to enjoy, because he doesn't want to stay alone every time. Okay, students, read this poem again and underline the uh, hard words, and if you find any words difficult, you send it through me WhatsApp. Okay, so for this you make your own rhyming words. Okay, you underline the rhyming words and write down, so that you will have a better understanding. Okay, thank you.